All right, I've got a bunch of pieces cut out here to make some 30-liter Simple Duffles, so I'll just show you guys the pattern pieces that go into it. This is the end piece, so on the skinny end on either side, we've got a pocket piece for one side, a piece of webbing as a handle that'll go across this, also a zipper for this pocket, and then we've got the both sides here. And finally, the bottom panel. So these are really simple duffel bags. They're kind of like my version of the classic sausage duffel. And yeah, I've got 3 different materials cut out, ready to make 3 different of the same 30-liter simple duffel. So let's go over to sewing machines and get started. Now that I've got the Velcro patch on there and these Hallie Stevenson's one get this special label, but now ready to go over to the binding machine to do all the zippers. Alright, so now I've got my zipper pocket panel with a Velcro patch here, just option, and I've got my end piece, and so now I'm going to attach this pocket panel to the end panel. Alright, now I've got everything put together and cleaned up, and now I can put binding tape on the end here, go around this whole area, and we'll be ready to flip it inside out. Alright, so that's 3 of these 30-liter Simple Duffles. This one is a Mylar Kevlar sail. This one is the Hallie Stevenson's, the Scottish-made fabric from cotton and nettle, I think. And here is the black Dyneema. This is a pretty shiny version of the Dyneema. And all these 30-liter Simple Duffles just have one zipper pull on this number 10 zipper. So it's a nice chunky zipper. And these are the spots to attach the over-the-shoulder strap that comes with it. So really simple bag. Only one pocket on this top side here, Velcro patch for your name or anything you want to put on there, and this end pocket here for your wallet, phone, keys, that kind of thing. And like I said, just an over-the-shoulder strap that comes with it, clips on and off here, and yeah, just one 30-liter kind of simple duffel. So yeah, thanks for watching this quick video on how I make these simple duffel bags, and I hope you liked it, and thanks again for watching.